Are you trying to use Instagram marketing for a while now to grow your online business, but you haven't seen any growth or sales? Here are some mistakes that you might have been doing and what to do instead. Hi, I'm Lydia. On this channel, we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in these kind of topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. The first reason why your Instagram account is not growing, not gaining followers every single day, and not making you any sales is that your account does not represent your brand and it is not optimized for business. Your Instagram account must show exactly what it's for. If you created it for your business to represent your brand, it must include a logo as a profile image. You need to add your brand name and its description, optimize your account for SEO, add a detailed description in a few different lines sharing what the Instagram account is about. Make sure your entire profile describes your brand by containing its brand colors, photography style. And in this video right here, I share a lot more about how to optimize your account for business and how to make it represent your brand. So you can make sure that it represents your business and properly promotes your products. The second reason why your Instagram account is not growing is that your feed is not cohesive, or at least looks nice, and your content is not high quality. You must pay attention to the content you post and how you post it. You need to post it in the form of daily stories, feed posts, carousels, as well as utilize video marketing to promote your business and product by creating reels consistently. If you don't know how to create content for your Instagram account or what type of content you need to create, in this video I explained it all very well. Creating a cohesive Instagram feed will also help turn visitors into followers on your Instagram profile, and in this video I share exactly how you can achieve that. The third reason is that you're just posting random content without having your target audience in mind so that people will actually be interested in your business and your product. Again, on Instagram you cannot attract everyone, so stop trying to do that. You will need to focus on attracting people that are actually interested in your product, in your business, in your content. To fix that, make sure that your content reaches a type of audience. Make sure you're using hashtags that are optimized for your business and your type of posts, and also reels, and using reels trends that are also relevant to the content you're posting. This will give you more chances at being found and actually people clicking on your content when they search for a certain hashtag, for example, or when people scroll on the explore page or reels page. And it will also help Instagram recommend your content to the right type of audience, and when people will see those in their home feeds or in their reels page, they will also watch them and be interested in your content. The fourth reason is that you're not being consistent, you're not being active every day, and you're not interacting with your audience. You need to interact with your audience and engage on a daily basis if you want your Instagram account to grow. Answer comments, like the comments, answer every single message that you get. Stay active with updates in daily stories. Post reels every day. Creating reels when certain trends are popular is also important if you want to jump on those trends and get your videos recommended. So there you go. These are some mistakes that you might have been doing if your Instagram account just stopped growing or it hasn't grown at all. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below for more such content weekly. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess for more tips on making money online and growing your business. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.